you know? All right, dude. DaVinci 3, get out of here with that. We're using no DaVinci 3. I gave you all that code and this is what you gave me back. Shorty's tripping, but that's okay. Let's just go ahead and go with what she's doing. I don't like it that much. Vibe check, PD. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna put her, I'm just gonna put this here. Response completion. So I guess if I think about this, we don't even need to entirely use the assistance API, right? We're just calling it one time. And that's, did my stuff just delete? Where'd it go? Hello. So we're just gonna use AI, just a response, because I guess because the prompt is, I guess we just use, yeah. We don't even really need to use a full AI setup, or like a swarm setup here. So my bad on the title, but it'd be like that sometimes. This is more of a swarm because it's taking one AI, passing it to the other AI, right? They're both doing different tasks. This one here is coming up with strategies. So one AI is reading the YouTube video and sending it to the second AI who codes the backtest. So that's really a swarm. Now, in this case, I guess we don't even really need the swarm because we're just passing in the, we don't need like a code interpreter. We're literally just passing in the prompt, and yeah, so this is super chill actually. GPT-4 preview though, I want to use GPT-4 for sure. So here, we're gonna go ahead and paste that there, okay. Let's go ahead and grab the response here of the vibe check for name in DF. Do below, and then append to the DF before outputting. Use this model. Let's see if they've upgraded their models here. Open AI models. I think they've changed some of the names and done some upgrades. Nice. Oh, nice. This is the one we got to use, dude. Turbo though, I like turbo. New GPT-4 model intended to reduce cases of laziness. Doesn't complete a task, returns. So this is a big old context window, nice. So we got some updates here on OpenAI. I was sleeping the last few weeks, essentially building this sniper bot. So, you know, things change so fast, but we here a couple weeks late, it's okay. We'll be all right, because I don't think anybody building like we building. I think everybody else is sleeping. They do their 2 hours at the coffee shop and call it a day. So I want to say this, please update the function below so it goes through the name column in the DF, do below, and then append. So we are going to do the same prompt as you wrote above, but use the above model instead. Also, inside of the function below, please have it loop through the name column to do the above OpenAI call, and then at the end of the function, save the DF as vibe checked.csv, and at the data source data. Here is the code to update. Please keep everything inside one function. I'm gonna remove all those notes because it'll trip out. Maybe, baby. Let's see if she changes. She always wants to use the text DaVinci 003, but who uses that? Cobus, what's up, bro? Good morning. How are you? I hope you're doing well. Hector, good to see you. Buenos dias. ¿Cómo está? Okay, FS Trent. Oh, let's go ahead. Let's go downwards instead of upwards. Alive Bizcar says you do work hard at what you do. Thanks for sharing what you do and being down to earth. Would rather watch you than buy a bot any day. That's awesome, man. I'm glad. Keith says you should give a lot more info with that question, i.e. can you code? If so, what languages? Do you want to just buy a bot? Do you want to have a bot coded for you? Not cheap. Yeah, it's not cheap to get a bot coded for you. That's true. If you want to do it on the cheap, yeah, Keith's giving some good advice here. Like, okay, so there's 3 ways to do this. Number 1, you can come to my YouTube channel and just like dissect everything I've done here for the last 2 years. That might take some time. That's fine. If you got time, that's the cheapest way to do it. How do you even upgrade my stuff? Because I'm not a godsend. I just know what I know, and I've missed a lot of theory because I did not go to school for this. I went straight for the jugular here with the algo trading. So how can you even get better than just my YouTube channel? Well, Keith says there's a ton of books. I have like a bunch of books in here about coding, and I learned a lot from the books, but then I put it in my YouTube channel. You know, I show you what I'm doing, essentially. You can go read books about coding, and they're like $20, you know. Learn Python the hard way is one book to learn Python. But there's plenty of ways to learn how to code. YouTube videos are free. And not just mine. There's much better Python coding videos out there. But that's the cheap way to do it. Just put all these YouTube videos together, learn how to code, and then you'll have a skill for the rest of your life. A little bit more expensive way, because it's $69, is get inside of the boot camp. Because then you're going to be around people that are coding trading algorithms, and we're all going towards the same mission. So it's $69, and you get to be around algo traders, quants, data scientists, all running towards the same mission. You get all of my code. I grab